What's up, y'all? I'm Brendan. I'm a full stack developer based here in Brooklyn, New York. And today I'm going to be helping you with the solution for Ruby Time Calculator, part of the Pro Learn Git course here on Code Academy. And what are we going to be covering today? Well, the main focus is going to be fixing merge conflicts, but you can't have merge conflicts without merging two branches together. So that's why I've included this Git branch at the top. What are merge conflicts? Well, when you try and merge two branches which contain commits that alter a file in conflicting ways, you get what's called a merge conflict. And that's what we're going to be working with today. It's honestly a really big headache for a software developer, but completely unavoidable. You are constantly going to be running into merge conflicts because you're going to be collaborating with a bunch of different people, and it's really hard to keep track of who is touching which code, and they're just bound to show up. And even the most experienced developers kind of struggle with merge conflicts. So we're going to get you guys started early with a little practice. So let's do it. All right, merge conflicts are challenging even for expert Git users. See, I told you. So it's good to get as much practice as possible with them. In this project, you'll have to resolve merge conflicts in two Markdown files. Markdown is a file format that converts easily into HTML. You won't have to write any Markdown, just identify the differences between lines. Take a deep breath. You can do this. All right, step one. You are currently on master. Merge the edits branch into the master branch. This will create two merge conflicts, readme.md and examples.md. All right. Okay, so we're on the master branch, and because the master is receiving these branch changes, we're going to be putting git merge, and who's going to be giving the changes? The edits branch. Or so we thought. All right, so we've got a conflict in examples.md, and we've got a conflict in readme.md. All right, step two, using the file navigator, open readme.md and examples.md, identify the merge conflicts. All right, so in readme.md, the merge conflicts exist between these arrows here and the equal sign. And this first one is whatever we merged into, aka the master. So this first one, represented by head, is the current repo that is getting merged into the master. And after this equal sign is the same line, but in the edits branch, evinced by this edits label down here. And then let's look at examples.md. All right, so here we go. This is the line in the master branch that's conflicting with this line in the edits branch. And down here, another one. We've got this text, and it looks like in our edits branch, we just have this text. And another one. This one in master, and that same bit of code here in the edits branch. So apparently what happened was we were on our master branch and we made commits where we changed this text, but when we branched off into that other branch that we had made, the edits branch, we had also made commits affecting that same code, and when we merged them together, we got this conflict. All right, so step two is done. Step three, in readme.md, keep the file changes from the edits branch, delete the file changes from head. Don't forget to delete all of Git's special markings that indicate a merge conflict. Click Save. All right, readme.md. So this is the line from the master branch. I'm going to delete all of this, all the way down to all of these equal signs. And this code below that is from the edits branch. And let's also delete this marking down here. Click Save. Cool. Step four, add readme.md to the staging area. Add readme.md. Sweet. So Git now knows, hey, I have kind of changed all of the necessary merge conflicts that I needed to change, and it's ready to be committed. Step five, follow the same order of actions as above for examples.md. Keep the edits branch file changes and delete the head changes. Click Save. All right, so again, we want to get rid of those changes that we made in the master branch. So we look at the arrows here and down to the triangles, and what's in between them is the code that is conflicting with the same line of code or bit of code in our other branch, which is here on line 4. So I'm going to delete this one because it's from master, and I'll delete this marking here. All right, again, delete this because it is the master, and we want to keep the edits we made from the edits branch. Delete that, and one more down here. Delete that. All right, save that. Step 5 is done. Step 6, add examples.md to the staging area and make a commit. Git add examples.md. Make a commit, git commit with a message of resolve merge conflict. Now, if this git commit goes through, that means we've successfully resolved all of the merge conflicts in our master branch, because that's the branch that we're on. We merged that edits branch into our master branch, and that's kind of where the conflicts arose. We just took care of them, and we added these new cleaned up files to the staging area with these git add commands up here, and now we're finally going to commit and save this change so that we'll have a snapshot of this new and improved code. Sweet. Step 6 is done. Step 7, delete the edits branch. So because we have successfully merged those edits into the master branch, we no longer need this edits branch. So let's see our branches. Hit branch, and let's delete edits. Sweet. It is gone. And that is it. That is it for this project. We successfully dealt with merge conflicts. We also deleted the branch that we had merged into our master, this edits branch. And because we successfully changed the code so there were no more merge conflicts, that means that we didn't even need the edits branch anymore. So we deleted it. Alrighty, folks, so that's it for today. I will see you in the next one. Bye.